Welcome to the final video of our Python beginners tutorial series for children. I hope you have been enjoying and learning a lot from these tutorials. I know learning a new programming language can be a bit intimidating, but you have come so far and I'm proud of you for sticking with it. Now, I want to encourage you to keep going and complete the entire series. Trust me, the effort you put in now will pay off in the future. You will be able to use the skills you have learned to build amazing projects and solve real-world problems. One tip to make it easier is to watch one video a day. This way you won't get overwhelmed and you will be able to understand the concepts better. Plus, it's a great way to make sure you are making a progress. If you have any doubt or feel like you need to talk, we have a great community in WhatsApp. So come there and tell us what you feel. So let's make a promise to ourselves to finish this series and become a Python pro. I can't wait to see what amazing things you will create with your new skills. And one thing, I have some exciting news for you. We are going to start a new playlist on robotics. And guess what? Python is going to be an incredibly useful tool for you when building robots and working with artificial intelligence. By learning Python, you will have a solid foundation for creating amazing things in the field of robotics. You will be able to use your programming skills to make robots move, sense their environment, and make decisions. So keep pushing yourself and complete the tutorials. The more you learn, the more you will be able to do. Before starting the series, I will do some projects based on the last topic we learned. So for all that and more, consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with your friends. Together, we can build some truly great things in the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey and I can't wait to see you in the next series. Keep up the great work. Thank you and bye-bye.